Hello, guten Tag, dobar dan, and bonjour. My name is Samir Pasalic. I am one of the support and service engineers with the company Softsolution. We are a worldwide reliable partner since we have an office in Austria and we have an office in the USA. The expertise that we can deliver and the availability that we can deliver is none like others in the world. So we are always top-notch in this point, and we are trying to provide the best possible solutions, the quickest way possible, but of course with the efficiency behind it. We are not looking for a solution which is going to be able to handle just maybe 1 or 2 days. We are looking for long-term solutions. And our long-term solutions with the efficiency behind it and our availability are, I think, a major point why our support is that much liked, preferred, and received so far all the best feedback possible.